Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hi. Here you will find where to solve your questions about how to transport rescue dogs to owner. These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to transport rescue dogs to owner is www.helpinghomelesspets.com. See the page titled Available Dogs, Canadian Chihuahua Rescue and Transport. Here's the link. You can also try www.basenjirescue.org, especially the page Basenji Rescue and Transport Home. Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see the dogliberator.com. The web page how to donate to a reputable dog rescue and save a dogs. This is the link.